Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're all in the best of your health. According to our today's lesson planner, we have part B question number 1 to question number 4 and part C question number 2. So let's begin with our first part, that is related to suffixes. We have already taken suffixes before. Let us revise again that the suffix is a letter or the group of letters that are added at the end of a single word, or that are mostly added at the end of a word in order to make a new word. Some of the examples of suffixes are given over here. For example, ly, y, full, able. These are some of the suffixes that we can add at the end of the given word in order to change its meaning. Now let's move towards our first question, that is, add the suffix y to these words and then use the new words or the adjectives you have made in the sentences of your own. So the first and the second part, both of them are related to the suffixes, and what we are going to do, we will simply add the suffix y at the end of each given word in order to change their meanings, and then we will simply make sentence of these new words on our notebooks. Like the first one is fluff. If I will add y in the end, then it will be fluffy. Fun will be funny with double N. Leaf will be leafy, sugar will be sugary, and bend will be bendy. So what you're going to do, you're going to make sentences of these words by your own. Our second part is that add the suffix y to the following where possible. Not all of the words will be changed into the Now question number 2 is add the suffix y at the end of the given words, but not all of the words can take the suffix y. So check it very carefully and be careful while changing the spellings. So what you're going to do, you will simply add the suffix y just like we did in question number 1. In question number 2, we will add suffix at the end, but remember that there are some words in this question that can never be changed into suffix y. That means they will never take a suffix y at their end, in their end. So let's see what are those words that can be changed into a new word using a suffix y. Like the first one is red. If I will add suffix y in the end, it will not be ready, it will be ruddy. Then run will be runny with double N. Shade will be shady. Close can never be changed into closey. I cannot add y in the end. Over here, shout. I cannot add y as a suffix in the end. There is no word like shouty. It will be shout. Thorn will be thorny. Weight will be weighty. Cold, there is no word like coldy, so I cannot add the suffix y in the end, so I cannot change this one also. Snow will be snowy, and the last one, sun, will be sunny. Now question number 3 is related to the abbreviations that we have taken a lot of times before. So let us revise again that what is the abbreviation? It is simply the short form of writing something. Like the Bachelors of Arts cannot be written as BOA, it is BA. The short form of Bachelors of Art is BA. So some of the full forms are given over here. We will simply write their abbreviations or their short forms in question number 3. So let's begin with the first one, that is Master of Science. So the Masters of Science can be written as M.Sc, which will be called as MSc with double dots. His or Her Majesty will be HM. Member of Parliament will be MP. Masters of Arts will be MA with double dots. School Leaving Certificate will be SLC, capital SLC. Doctor of Medicine will be MD. Trade Union will be TU. Doctor of Philosophy will be PH and capital D with double dots. Southeast will be SE. And the last one, Bachelors of Education, will be B.Ed, B.Ed. So question number 4 is about writing the short forms or the contractions of the given words. So we have read about contractions before. These are also the short forms of writing something using apostrophe in the place of those words that have been left out. So let's see what's the first one. Like I am, the contraction of I am will be I'm. Apostrophe in a place of A because it has been skipped out. Have not will be written as haven't. They have will be written as they've. We are will be written as we're. Cannot will be written as can't. They will will be written as they'll, shall not, shan't, it is, its, they are, their, will not, won't, I would, I'd, and the last one, she will be written as she'll. Let's move towards our part C now. Now part C, question number 2 is state whether the underlined words are nouns or verbs. We will simply identify whether the underlined words is used as a noun or it has been used as a verb. Like the first one, time should not be wasted. Obviously over here it is not used as a verb, it's not an action, we are talking about the time, so it has been used as a noun. Second one is we can easily time how long it will take by using a stopwatch. Obviously over here time means measure, to measure something. That means it over here time has been used as an action. That means we can easily measure something using a stopwatch. So it's a verb over here. Third one is the fly settled on the piece of a bread. Just like a honeybee, just like a bees, there are flies that settle down on the piece of a bread. So it has been used, flies has been used as a noun here. It's a name. Fourth one is he flies to many different countries each year. Over here flies means to travel somewhere or to travel to different countries. So he's been traveling to many countries each year. So over here it has been used as a verb. Fifth one is we rent an apartment. Over here rent means to book something or to hire something. So what we did, we rent an apartment. Rent has been used as a verb here. The last one is she pays rent for her apartment. Over here rent means a kind of a payment that you have to pay regularly or monthly to your landlord in order to stay there. So over here rent has been used as a noun. So this was our today's lesson that was related to contractions, abbreviations, and nouns and verbs. I hope you understood today's lesson. Thank you so much for listening.